Alright, she is pretty much ready to go to the body shop, Bobby ABC. They are going to hook me up, do my fender flares, repaint it, but I got all the old wiring out. I just got to do a few little more things. I still got to run the USB cable for my air ride controller. Right now it's aired out. Once I do that, then it's pretty much ready. I think I'll drop it off. So door poppers are fully installed. Get all the interior pieces off. Cleared all my crap out of the trunk, all the extra wiring and stuff. So just sitting there waiting, see who's gonna do my trunk setup for me. Hint, hint. Anybody wants to sponsor me, that'd be great. Pulled out all the interior. Moved all the stereo stuff. So, got it ready. Door popper. Oh, look at that. Engine still looks great. Look at that. This is where I got all the brain and the relays and the battery source. So I ran an 8-gauge wire up there. I got 4 fused outputs, so I can run all kinds of stuff now. Everything's working. My dumbass is pushing the wrong button. Everything looks good. To get into the back seat, all I gotta do is reach in here real easy, just like that, and boom, it opens up. So I didn't worry about putting door poppers on the rear. It's too easy to open up. And there we go. I'm happy.